morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I am quite well. And what about you, ma'am? How are you?
Yes, I am also buzzing with energy. Thanks for asking. And how is your day shaping up?
Everything is going well, ma'am. And first of all, thank you invite me to your platform. And I'm really delighted you to be here. And yes, I am doing exceptionally well. Thank you for concern. And everything is
Okay. Okay. Please, you can keep your phone in the right place because your phone is moving here and there.
okay. Okay. Right? It's okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now it is okay. 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 So we are meeting very first time. So I would love to know about you little bit.
Yeah, sure. Why not, ma'am? Please, it's my pleasure. So I will tell you everything about a brief introduction in my sides, so that's my communication will comfortable and engaging. So, well, as you know, my name Pinky, and I am from Bihar. I was born and brought up in Hajipur, Bihar, and I am a full I am a full-time homemaker, blessed with two kids. And if you talk about my qualification education, so I have done BSc Zoology honors, Science BSc Zoology honors, and in addition, I have completed ANM as well as, and along with uh, I have been doing as a affiliate work from home, as the name of the company's name is the iDistribute. The in this company the founder name is Ashutosh Patihas sir, and yeah, that's about things. And I want to learn, enhance my communication. So still I am a beginner, so I am getting little bit nervous, not more but little bit nervous. And also I want to enhance my language, so that I want to interact more peoples day by day. Every day I want to interact more peoples while call and audio call.
Are you nervous right now?
A little bit, not more.
Okay. Okay, no issue. Because when we connect to anyone and we think, how can I speak to front of them? How can I articulate my thoughts? So this type of thought comes in our mind. That's why we feel butterflies in stomach. So no worry, I am also learner and I am also beginner like you. I consider myself as a beginner. Okay, so
Yeah,
no worry.
because yeah, I have seen majority of people are saying that if you want to, in order to get your fluency and overcome glossophobia, then you interact to people more and more. Fluency comes later, but confidence comes.
Confidence will comes after talking to someone. Slowly and gradually, you will gain so many confidence when we talk front of people every day. Yeah, it's true. Because I remember when I had my first conversation, I had no confidence. Even I had vocabulary, but I didn't have enough. But right now, I can say I have plethora of vocabulary.
Mm-hmm.
But if I talk about confidence or fear, I have gained confidence. Along with that, I have overcome my fear. Talking with people, I have no fear. I can talk very smoothly with people because when you are hunger about anything, you can achieve.
You
But
can.
if you are not hunger and just you are killing your time, it means you are not improving,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, right. Completely agree with your words, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, so what is your purpose learning this language? What is the purpose behind it?
Sure, ma'am. Actually, English itself a skill, as and it's a language. Also, it's a language, and if I know English, I can do whatever I want to do. First of all, things, and as a woman, I know mostly people are to under the woman, and if first of all I want to learn this language, because of that reason too, I want to empower of myself. empower of myself. If I will empower of myself, then I take an action on myself and do and whatever I want. And also I am a homemaker, so I have a responsibility of two kids. So if I am educated, if I speak well, if I elaborate my words as well as mm, so I can handling my children's and even guide of them what is right and wrong.
Okay, as you told you are homemaker, so how do you take out time for your practice or for yourself? Because always homemaker always say I don't have time to learn something new. I don't have time to learn new skills. So I would love to know about you. How do you take out time for yourself or
Uh,
practice also?
yeah, so yeah, every person's have this type of question is arising. And also if you have to passion, if you have to passion, and if I so people's at least find out the time to her dream. So as a homemaker, I live in separate family still, and in Gujarat, Jamnagar. Basically in Bihar, I belong to Bihar, but still I stay in Gujarat. That the purpose my husband doing job is in Reliance sector. And here I lived with four members,
Okay.
and my husband and both children. So when my son and my husband goes to their own work, meanwhile I want to do an extra work. And after that, when I am alone at home, so I do my house sources work quickly. And after that, I finding the time to take practice and interact to someone, uh, to just enhance our language. How much I talk and how longer I talk is possible.
Yeah, because sometimes how much no matter how much busy are you,
Yeah,
matter are you hunger about anything or you want to fulfill your dream or
yeah,
not matters a lot.
that
And
is,
taking action is also important because sometimes we think today I can do, tomorrow I will do, but we never start. We think a lot, we always procrastinate ourselves.
yeah, right, yeah,
It is not good if you want to do anything in your life, not only learning,
yeah,
anything.
yeah, right. Yeah,
Yeah.
hang is important, and mindset is also important. If you have to mindset, then you can do anyhow, whether someone who against you or not. You can open your sources yourself.
Yeah.
Directly
Because
the better.
when we do any kind of work, we have to set the mindset. What
Yeah,
kind of work I have to do.
yeah, man.
Okay, okay. So how long have you been in this platform?
uh, Not much more than I have to given their time. Recently I have to start my own channel, and I uploaded there. I done my channel which the name of Speak with Pinky, and there I mostly upload video on solo videos, and some videos like not more, 2 and 3 videos like collaborate to someone. And yeah, not much more time, almost 6 to 7 months I have to given my time in this platform and other way.
No worry, one day you will become a good speaker or confident speaker because we already know confidence doesn't come one day, knowledge doesn't come one day, but knowledge comes
Yeah,
after practicing and confidence comes after knowledge.
after, yeah, completely agree.
Can do step by step because I am doing step by step. I don't take all burden on my head because this is long journey, this is long process. So
Yeah,
learn slowly and gradually. Listen whatever you like. Listen podcast attentively whatever you like, and speak every day, at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and half an hour, 1 hour, up to you.
yeah, it's up to me how much time to give it. Yeah,
How
man.
much time do you give your practice or not? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, how do you learn vocabulary day to day life?
Ma'am, actually, I watch some videos on YouTube, like collaborated video. One of you. one of them of you, ma'am. Also, I watch some videos of your videos, and where I notice which word is suitable for me and which word is to implement on my sentence. Because initial days when I make frame the sentences, I'm not frame sentences as well uh, as a grammatical, as a good way. So that time I thought that how I organize that sentence. So after that I
You know.
realized that
Mhm.
that its main word is basic knowledge, and sometimes its vocabulary is also important. The main rule, main steps, if you follow in consistency way, then at least not much more, but at least two three lines to make on ourselves, to make sentence.
Okay, so when you connect to anyone, which type of question or which type of conversation do you like most? Like casual conversation and some topic. Which type conversation do you do with co-learner?
Ma'am, as per my experience, according to my experience, I just saying that I would like to saying that initial, I am a beginner, so I just want to a casual topic, casual
Okay,
discussion,
okay. You go for the flow.
because
Okay.
I don't have that knowledge about any field. So how can I explain, and how can I articulate, and how can I elaborate in articulate my words?
Mm-hmm, yeah. So, do you ask to question with someone because giving answer is very easy, but when it's come to asking the question, our mind goes blank. Which kind of question I will ask to someone? Do you ask the question to someone?
Um, no, ma'am.
No. So you should try.
Yeah, we should
Okay.
try.
Because when we connect to anyone, we give answer. Along with that, we also have to ask some question related her journey or related his journey and related his culture or her culture and what is going on his life. Like that question we always ask to each other. That is conversation means we one person can't talk more. Conversation means we talk to each other, we can give thought to each other, and we can explain whatever we have
Yeah,
knowledge inside, right?
correct.
And try to speak more and learn some new vocabulary every day, whatever you like, because there are so many vocabulary, so many grammar or so many content available, but we can't grasp all thing. We learn whatever we use day to day life, we learn vocabulary whatever we like or whatever we use day to day life, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we can pick up, and when it's come to me, I always try to learn at least two word or one word every day. I don't learn at least five or six vocabulary, because when we learn five word but we can't able to use. So what is the benefit for learning five word? Try to learn only one and two. It is enough,
yeah. It is
and
enough.
make some sentence present or past or future.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so at that way we can practice, because slowly and gradually you will see drastically change,
Yeah,
because this is long journey and we can't achieve anything very soon, because people don't want to hard work, they want to get result immediately. It is not happening, it is not a walk in the park. Okay. This is secondary language, because I have been learning this language for 8 months, 9 is running. I am learning. Along with that, I teach to student, I make video for my learners, whatever I have knowledge I share with people, because I love impose my journey, import my journey to with people.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I consider your each and every points, because that things is happen when people are started. Because I know majority of people's just started our journey, and then uh, achieve it, and everything's achieved quickly. Yeah, ma'am.
Your baby is very small.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. She is a girl or boy?
He is a
Boy.
boy.
He's a
Yeah,
boy.
he is a boy and he is just 2 years.
Okay, how many children do you have? You
First
have
is younger is 2 years and elder is 8 years.
8 years. Oh, great! But it means younger you baby girl or baby boy? Both baby boy.
Yeah, yes, baby
Oh,
boy.
great, great. It means your younger son goes to school.
Yeah, yeah, younger son goes to school.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. You can take care of your baby, okay, because he is bothering you.
Yeah,
So if
maybe
you have any question, you can ask, then
yeah,
I can set up the session.
yeah. Actually, what happened, ma'am? Baby's nature is it's a human nature. It's a two sorts, so it's a human nature to cry at any moment. Whether the time is whether the time is perfect as a fixed time is not any fixed time to crying and because it's a human nature. Harini.
Yes, because right time will never come. Whatever you want, start from on today onwards. Okay, okay. Okay, now I end up the session, and it was nice conversation with you. After process, I will send you link. Okay, video link.
Thank you so much, ma'am, to giving your precious time. So thanks a lot again.
Thank you so much. It is my pleasure.